In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn dark mode on and off in Google Sheets. If you love working in a low-light workspace but need accurate colors for a presentation, toggling dark mode quickly is key. On desktop, Google Sheets doesn't offer a built-in dark theme, so the simplest approach is to use a browser extension designed for dark mode. One popular option is Night AI. After you install the extension, open any Google Sheet. You'll notice that the bright white canvas switches to a clean, dark interface automatically. This makes long sessions easier on the eyes while keeping your grid, menus, and dialogues readable. The content of your spreadsheet, numbers, text, and formatting stays the same. You're just changing how the page is rendered in your browser. To control it, open the Extensions menu in your browser toolbar. There you'll find a straightforward toggle to turn the dark effect on or off. Flip it on when you're working late, and flip it off when you need to evaluate precise colors, charts, or conditional formatting on a light background. If you want dark mode almost everywhere, but prefer Google Sheets to remain light, set a site-specific rule. With the Extensions per Site switch, choose Off for the current site. The extension will remember this preference, so Sheets will open in light mode while your other tabs continue in dark mode. That way, you get the best of both worlds without constant switching. A few practical notes for the smoothest experience. Because this is a browser-side change, your collaborators won't see dark mode unless they use a similar extension. Your file content doesn't change, and exports or prints will use the original colors. If a cell fill or chart looks different against a dark background, simply turn the effect off to verify your design, then turn it back on to keep working comfortably. That's it. With a dark mode extension installed and a quick toggle in the toolbar, you can move between dark and light in seconds. Set Google Sheets to stay light if you want, keep everything else dark, and enjoy less eye strain without sacrificing color accuracy. Now, you can work comfortably day or night. Hit that follow button for more Google Sheets tips.